Chapter 9. Maintaining and improving the BCMS. Chapter 9. Maintaining and improving the BCMS. Introduction. Continual improvement in BCMS. An overview. Monitoring and measuring the BCMS. Performance evaluation and analysis. Addressing non-conformities and corrective actions. Regular review and update of the BCMS. Role of innovation in BCMS improvement. Maintaining readiness and resilience. Summary. 1. Introduction. Understanding the importance of continuous maintenance and improvement in the BCMS. Continuous maintenance and improvement are crucial elements of a robust and effective BCMS. As business environments evolve, organizations face new challenges and risks that require ongoing adjustments to their BCMS. The importance of continuous maintenance and improvement in the BCMS can be summarized as follows. Adaptation to changing environments. The business landscape is dynamic, with emerging risks, technological advancements, regulatory changes, and evolving customer expectations. Enhancing resilience. Continuous improvement allows organizations to enhance their resilience by identifying and addressing gaps or weaknesses in their BCMS. Meeting compliance industry-specific requirements related to business continuity. Driving efficiency and effectiveness. Through regular maintenance and improvement, organizations can streamline their business continuity processes, identify areas of inefficiency, and optimize resource utilization. Enhancing stakeholder confidence. Stakeholders, including customers, partners, employees, and regulatory bodies, place trust in organizations to effectively manage potential disruptions. Continual learning and growth. Continuous improvement fosters a culture of learning within the organization. Future readiness. The business landscape is characterized by uncertainty and the potential for unforeseen events. Requirements. Organizations are often subject to various regulatory and 2. Continual improvement in BCMS. An overview. The concept and significance of continual improvement. Continual improvement is a fundamental concept in the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, that emphasizes the ongoing enhancement and optimization of processes, practices, and outcomes. The significance of continual improvement in the BCMS can be summarized as follows. Adapting to changing environments. Continual improvement allows organizations to adapt to evolving business environments, including emerging risks, technological advancements, regulatory changes, and customer expectations. Identifying and addressing gaps. Continual improvement helps organizations identify gaps, weaknesses, and areas for enhancement within the BCMS. Enhancing resilience. The primary goal of a BCMS is to enhance an organization's resilience and ensure the continuity of critical operations. Driving efficiency and effectiveness. Continual improvement promotes the optimization of processes, procedures, and resource allocation within the BCMS. Fostering a culture of learning. Continual improvement encourages a culture of learning and continuous development within the organization. Stakeholder confidence and trust. Continual improvement demonstrates an organization's commitment to excellence and its dedication to meeting the needs and expectations of stakeholders. Meeting compliance requirements. Continual improvement is closely linked to meeting regulatory and industry-specific compliance requirements. Key strategies for fostering continual improvement in the BCMS. Fostering continual improvement in the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, requires a proactive and systematic approach. Here are key strategies for fostering continual improvement in the BCMS. Establish a culture of continuous improvement. Create a culture within the organization that values and encourages continuous improvement. Leadership support and engagement. Ensure that top management is actively involved and supportive of continual improvement initiatives. Set clear improvement objectives. Define specific improvement objectives for the BCMS. These objectives should align with the organization's overall strategic goals and be measurable and achievable. Regular monitoring and evaluation. Implement a systematic process for monitoring and evaluating the performance of the BCMS. Feedback and stakeholder engagement. Seek feedback from stakeholders, including employees, customers, partners, and regulators. Continuous training and development. Invest in training and development programs for employees involved in the BCMS. Provide opportunities for skill building, knowledge sharing, and staying updated with industry best practices. Learn from incidents and exercises. Actively analyze and learn from real incidents, near misses, and business continuity exercises. Establish improvement projects and initiatives. Implement improvement projects to address identified gaps and opportunities for enhancement. Document and share best practices. Document successful practices, lessons learned, and improvement initiatives within the BCMS. Regular management review. Conduct periodic management reviews to evaluate the overall performance of the BCMS and identify improvement opportunities. 3. Monitoring and measuring the BCMS. Importance of regular monitoring and measurement. Regular monitoring and measurement are crucial components of maintaining and improving the effectiveness of the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS. Here are the key reasons why regular monitoring and measurement are important. Performance evaluation. Regular monitoring and measurement allow organizations to assess the performance of the BCMS against established objectives, targets, and key performance indicators, KPIs. Early detection of issues. Monitoring and measurement help organizations identify potential issues and weaknesses in the BCMS before they escalate into significant problems. Compliance monitoring. Regular monitoring and measurement ensure that the BCMS remains in compliance with relevant standards, regulations, and legal requirements. Performance improvement. Monitoring and measurement provide a baseline for tracking improvements and assessing the effectiveness of improvement initiatives. Decision-making and resource allocation. Monitoring and measurement data provide valuable information for decision-making and resource allocation. Benchmarking and comparison. Regular monitoring and measurement allow organizations to benchmark their BCMS performance against industry best practices and compare it with peers and competitors. Communication and reporting. Monitoring and measurement data serve as a basis for reporting to stakeholders, including senior management, customers, partners, and regulatory bodies. Continuous improvement. Monitoring and measurement play a vital role in the continual improvement process. Techniques and tools for monitoring and measuring BCMS performance. Monitoring and measuring the effectiveness of the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, requires the use of various techniques and tools. Here are some commonly used techniques and tools for monitoring and measuring the BCMS. Key Performance Indicators, KPIs. KPIs are quantifiable metrics that help assess the performance of the BCMS. Audits and assessments. Regular internal audits and assessments are essential for evaluating the compliance, effectiveness, and efficiency of the BCMS. Risk assessments. Conducting periodic risk assessments helps identify and assess potential risks to the organization's operations and critical functions. Incident and business continuity exercise evaluations. Evaluating the performance of incident response and business continuity exercises helps measure the readiness and effectiveness of the BCMS. Feedback and surveys. Gathering feedback from stakeholders, including employees, customers, and partners, is an essential tool for monitoring and measuring the BCMS. Data analysis. Analyzing relevant data related to incidents, disruptions, recovery activities, and performance can provide insights into the effectiveness of the BCMS. Management review meetings. Regular management review meetings provide a forum for evaluating the overall performance of the BCMS. Software and technology tools. Various software and technology tools are available to support the monitoring and measurement of the BCMS. 4. Performance evaluation and analysis. How to evaluate and analyze BCMS performance data. Evaluating and analyzing Business Continuity Management System (BCMS) performance data is crucial for assessing the effectiveness of the system and identifying areas for improvement. Here are the steps to effectively evaluate and analyze BCMS performance data. Identify relevant performance metrics. Determine the key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics that align with the objectives and goals of the BCMS. Collect data. Gather the necessary data related to the identified performance metrics. Organize and consolidate data. Organize and consolidate the collected data in a structured format for ease of analysis. Perform data analysis. Analyze the collected data using appropriate data analysis techniques. Compare against targets or benchmarks. Compare the analyzed data against pre-established targets, benchmarks, or industry best practices. Identify root causes and improvement opportunities. Use the analysis results to identify root causes of any performance gaps or areas requiring improvement. Generate insights and recommendations. Based on the analysis, generate insights and recommendations for improving the BCMS's performance. Communicate findings. Communicate the findings, insights, and recommendations to key stakeholders within the organization. Track progress and repeat analysis. Monitor the implementation of improvement initiatives and track progress over time. Using performance data to identify opportunities for improvement. Using performance data to identify opportunities for improvement is a crucial step in driving the continual improvement of the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS. Here's how you can effectively use performance data to identify improvement opportunities. Define key performance indicators, KPIs. Establish clear and measurable KPIs that align with the objectives of the BCMS. Collect and analyze performance data. Gather relevant data related to the identified KPIs. Compare data against targets or benchmarks. Compare the performance data against established targets or industry benchmarks. Conduct root cause analysis. Investigate the underlying causes of performance gaps or areas that require improvement. Engage stakeholders. Engage relevant stakeholders, including employees, customers, partners, and auditors, in the analysis and discussion of performance data. Prioritize improvement opportunities. Prioritize improvement opportunities based on their potential impact and alignment with organizational goals. Develop improvement plans. Develop action plans to address the identified improvement opportunities. Implement and monitor improvement initiatives. Execute the improvement plans and closely monitor the progress and outcomes of the initiatives. Communicate and share learnings. Communicate the improvement initiatives and their outcomes to relevant stakeholders. Share the learnings and best practices with the organization to promote a culture of continuous improvement. 5. Addressing nonconformities and corrective actions. Understanding the concept of nonconformities in BCMS. In the context of the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, non-conformities refer to instances where the BCMS does not meet the requirements set forth by the relevant standards, regulations, or internal policies and procedures. Non-conformities can be identified through various means, such as internal audits, external assessments, incident investigations, or customer feedback. Non-conformities can be classified into different categories based on their severity and impact on the BCMS and business operations. When a non-conformity is identified, it is essential to take appropriate corrective actions to address the root causes and prevent its recurrence. It is crucial to have a systematic approach for managing non-conformities within the BCMS. By effectively addressing non-conformities in the BCMS, organizations can strengthen their business continuity capabilities, enhance compliance with relevant standards, and improve overall operational resilience. Steps to address non-conformities and take corrective actions. When non-conformities are identified within the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, it is important to take prompt corrective actions to address the issues and prevent their recurrence. Here are the steps to address non-conformities and take corrective actions. Identify and document the non-conformity. Clearly identify and document the non-conformity, describing the specific area or process where the non-conformity exists. Investigate the root cause. Conduct a thorough investigation to determine the root cause of the non-conformity. Develop corrective actions. Based on the findings of the root cause analysis, develop appropriate corrective actions to address the non-conformity. Determine responsibility and assign accountability. Assign responsibility for implementing the corrective actions to individuals or teams within the organization. Establish timelines and action plans. Define specific timelines and action plans for implementing the corrective actions. Implement corrective actions. Execute the corrective actions according to the defined action plans. Monitor the progress of implementation and provide support as needed. Monitor and verify effectiveness. Monitor the effectiveness of the implemented corrective actions through ongoing monitoring, measurement, and performance evaluation. Document and communicate. Document all actions taken to address the non-conformity, including the implemented corrective actions and their outcomes. Review and close. Review the effectiveness of the corrective actions and assess whether the non-conformity has been adequately addressed. Learn and improve. Capture lessons learned from the non-conformity and the corrective action process. 6. Regular review and update of the BCMS. The necessity for regular reviews and updates of the BCMS. Regular reviews and updates of the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, are essential to ensure its effectiveness, alignment with organizational objectives, and continued relevance in the face of evolving risks and requirements. Here are the key reasons why regular reviews and updates of the BCMS are necessary. Adaptation to changing context. The business environment is dynamic, and organizations face ever-changing risks, regulations, technologies, and customer expectations. Identification of improvement opportunities. Through regular reviews, organizations can identify improvement opportunities within the BCMS. Compliance with standards and regulations. Regulatory requirements, industry standards, and best practices evolve over time. Enhanced risk management. Regular reviews of the BCMS enable organizations to evaluate the effectiveness of risk mitigation measures and identify emerging risks. Stakeholder engagement and alignment. Regular reviews provide an opportunity to engage with stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and regulators. Organizational learning. Regular reviews facilitate organizational learning by capturing lessons from incidents, exercises, audits, and other feedback mechanisms. Continuous improvement. The goal of regular reviews and updates is to drive continuous improvement within the BCMS. How to conduct a systematic review and update of the BCMS. Conducting a systematic review and update of the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, ensures its ongoing effectiveness and alignment with organizational objectives. Here are the steps to conduct a systematic review and update of the BCMS. Establish review objectives. Clearly define the objectives of the review, such as assessing the overall performance of the BCMS, identifying areas for improvement, ensuring compliance with standards and regulations, or addressing specific organizational priorities. Review documentation. Start by reviewing the existing documentation of the BCMS, including policies, procedures, plans, and records. Collect feedback and input. Engage with relevant stakeholders, including employees, management, customers, and external partners, to gather feedback on the BCMS's effectiveness. 7. Role of innovation in BCMS improvement. How innovation can drive improvements in the BCMS. Innovation plays a crucial role in driving improvements in the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS. Here are some ways in which innovation can drive improvements in the BCMS. Technology adoption. Embracing innovative technologies can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the BCMS. Integrated systems. Integrating the BCMS with other management systems, such as quality management or environmental management, can lead to synergies and efficiencies. Agile planning and adaptive strategies. Innovation can enable organizations to adopt more agile planning methodologies and adaptive strategies. Collaboration and knowledge sharing. Innovation can foster collaboration and knowledge sharing among stakeholders within and outside the organization. Scenario planning and simulations. Innovation can enhance scenario planning and simulation exercises. Continuous monitoring and data analytics. Innovation can enable organizations to adopt real-time monitoring systems and data analytics tools to detect early warning signals, monitor key performance indicators, and identify potential risks or vulnerabilities. Stakeholder engagement. Innovative approaches can enhance stakeholder engagement in the BCMS. Learning and adaptation. Innovation can foster a culture of learning and adaptation within the organization. By encouraging experimentation, embracing failure as an opportunity for growth, and promoting a mindset of continuous improvement, organizations can harness innovation to drive positive change in the BCMS. Strategies for fostering a culture of innovation in BCMS management. Fostering a culture of innovation in Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, management is crucial for driving continuous improvement and enhancing organizational resilience. Here are some strategies to cultivate a culture of innovation in BCMS management. Leadership support. Leadership plays a vital role in fostering a culture of innovation. Encourage risk-taking and learning. Create a safe environment where employees are encouraged to take calculated risks and learn from failures. Open communication and collaboration. Foster an open and collaborative culture where ideas and knowledge can be freely shared. Provide resources and support. Allocate resources, including time, budget, and technology, to support innovative initiatives within the BCMS. Reward and recognize innovation. Recognize and reward employees who contribute to innovation in BCMS management. Embrace technology and automation. Embrace technology and automation to streamline BCMS processes and drive innovation. Encourage continuous learning. Promote a culture of continuous learning within the organization. Learn from external sources. Look for inspiration and ideas from external sources such as industry best practices, case studies, and benchmarking exercises. Establish innovation metrics. Define and measure innovation metrics specific to BCMS management. Continual improvement mindset. Instill a mindset of continual improvement in BCMS management. 8. Maintaining readiness and resilience. The significance of maintaining readiness and resilience in BCMS. Maintaining readiness and resilience in the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, is of utmost importance to ensure an organization's ability to effectively respond to and recover from disruptions. Here are the key reasons why maintaining readiness and resilience in BCMS is significant. Timely response to disruptions. Readiness and resilience enable organizations to respond promptly to disruptions, minimizing their impact on business operations. Minimize downtime and financial loss. A resilient BCMS helps minimize downtime and financial losses during disruptions. Protection of reputation and stakeholder confidence. Maintaining readiness and resilience in BCMS safeguards an organization's reputation and instills confidence in stakeholders. Tactics for ensuring the organization is always prepared and resilient. Ensuring that an organization is always prepared and resilient requires a proactive approach in the implementation of various tactics. Here are some tactics to consider. Risk assessment and scenario planning. Conduct regular risk assessments to identify potential threats and vulnerabilities. Robust business continuity planning. Develop comprehensive business continuity plans, BCPs, that outline clear response and recovery procedures for different types of disruptions. Training and awareness programs. Provide regular training to employees on business continuity protocols, response procedures, and their roles and responsibilities during disruptions. Regular testing and exercising. Perform routine tests and exercises to evaluate the readiness and effectiveness of the BCMS. Continuous monitoring and reporting. Implement a robust monitoring system to track key performance indicators, KPIs, related to the BCMS. Monitor early warning signs and emerging risks to enable timely response. Engage stakeholders. Foster strong relationships with key stakeholders such as customers, suppliers, regulators, and industry peers. Technology and automation. Leverage technological tools and automation to enhance preparedness and resilience. Supplier and vendor management. Assess and monitor the resilience of critical suppliers and vendors. Post-incident evaluation and learning. Conduct thorough evaluations after each incident or disruption to identify lessons learned and areas for improvement. Leadership commitment and communication. Ensure that leadership demonstrates commitment to preparedness and resilience. 9. Summary. Recap of the concepts, methods, and strategies for maintaining and improving the BCMS. In summary, maintaining and improving the Business Continuity Management System, BCMS, is a critical aspect of ensuring organizational resilience and readiness to handle disruptions. Throughout Chapter 9, we explored various concepts, methods, and strategies to achieve this. Here's a recap of the key points covered. Continuous improvement. We emphasized the importance of embracing a culture of continuous improvement in the BCMS. Monitoring and measurement. Regular monitoring and measurement of BCMS performance are crucial for assessing effectiveness and identifying areas for improvement. Non-conformities and corrective actions. Non-conformities are deviations from the desired BCMS performance. Review and update. Regular reviews and updates of the BCMS are necessary to ensure its continued relevance and effectiveness. Training, awareness, and competence. Building a skilled and knowledgeable workforce through training programs and awareness initiatives is crucial for maintaining an effective BCMS. Internal audit and management review. Conducting internal audits and management reviews are integral components of maintaining and improving the BCMS. Thank you.